Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take a look at my Corvette collection. So yeah, I remember last time I made a video of my Volkswagen collection. Next video I might make a Ford collection video. So yeah, here are all my Corvettes for now. These are all the ones I have in my collection right now. So yeah. So let's talk about these ones. These are still in the box. So first one we got this Corvette Zr1, which this car has got this great color. It's pretty cool. It's got the American flag. It's yellow stripe. Looks pretty decent. I got it somewhere, like got it from my school or something. After I got this 2019 Corvette Zr1 Convertible, which is pretty beautiful car, pretty big. Got the black stripe, 4 muffler. You got some, you got some red bearings on it, and you got those little like weird brick thingies on the shield or something. And the next car, okay, let's just go from here. The first car we got. Oh, wait guys, I should be using this rotator probably. So, yeah. Alright, much better. So, if you take a look, I have these two. These two are the same exact car, but this one is a little bit modified. This one's got this orange color. It's got this cool, like, plastic little glass thing here. This one's got the nice spoiler. This one's just a regular version you can see. And you can see how... Wait, why is it uneven? Look, it's not perfect. Why is it like that though? But still, the car looks pretty cool. If you can take a look from the face, see, this is like paint. This is like plastic. It's got the front bumper, And I also got this version of this, another ZR one. So yeah, these are all the versions I got of this. So let's put them here. Next versions of the car we got are gonna be these two. These two cars are like the same exact thing. This one's like blue, this one's red. They actually have a pretty cool color, This one's got a nice blue, this one's got a pretty cool red on it. And it's pretty shiny, It's got the red color on it. It's got some red interior. The body of the car looks kind of weird, but honestly I don't really mind. Looks fine. But yeah, we got those two. Next Corvettes we got in my collection is these two. These two are the exact same one, but so yeah, here I can tell you a story about this one. Is one time I was at my school, right? And we're gonna go inside the school, and while I was walking, I saw there was a sandbox, right? And I found this Corvette in the sandbox. I was like, oh, cool, Matchbox. And this one I bought. I bought this one and I found it. So now I got 2 of these Corvettes in my collection. You can see it's got these red mark here. It's got a leather interior. The car looks pretty nice. On the back too, it also has that design. The body of the car looks kind of heavy, but honestly it looks pretty cool. But yeah, we got 2 Corvettes. Next, let's take a look at this purple one. This purple one looks pretty... It's a more older one. It's got this weird bag in there here. It's also got this purple color. It's got these pretty cool rims that I really like. It says Corvette on the side in white. It also has a white stripe, obviously. Pretty shiny purple, Next cars we got are these... Hold on, let me just... Put them on the belt. Yeah. So here are all these Corvettes. If you take a look at the first one, it's really big. It has a bunch of rating on it. It says 6 something. It says SRT. It's pretty big Corvette. It's got some yellow big rims and really heavy too. Next one we got is this one, which is from Corvette video about pack, and this car is it got this yellow color. It's got this little airbox here. It's got the spoiler, the red around the wheels, and honestly this car is mid, not really good, but it's pretty good. It's also got the sides. Got the side color here. It's got some red here, and the front looks kind of just basic. There's nothing much on the front. Then we got this really old one, which is my favorite. I really like it. It's got the blue. It's got these really cool rims. It's got the line down, which makes the car look really awesome. Pretty cool. Then after, we got this really old one I had when I was a kid. It's some old Matchbox or something. It's pretty beat up. It's got some white interior. The top is kind of busted, Also the wheels look pretty nice too. Not much, but it still looks good. Next cars we got are my Corvette. You know, got my Corvette. See here. So yeah, if we actually take a look here, as I got two. I do have two Corvettes because one time I made a video about this 10-pack, so I just got an extra Corvette. So this is a new one, this is the old one. If you're saying how I can tell, because look, see, look, it's bent. And then this one's like forward, because you know why? One time I had this on my desk, and I was like, ooh, like, there's this Corvette on my desk, right? And I was like, ooh, and my fist was like gonna go down. After I hit it, and it like flinged it hit my wall and it fell. Then after I realized, I checked my hand, it's like bleeding. There's like a scar. I was like, oh my god, you know. Then after it's just kind of bent. So, but yeah, at least I have like two, right? But yeah, this Corvette has this logo here. American flag, you know, we got this one. We got, you know, this extra one too. Yeah. So we got two of these. Then after we got the Matchbox Corvette, which looks pretty good. I love the tires. The face is really different. It's like kind of more narrow. And even the windshield is kind of narrow. You can see the engine in the back. Pretty fast too. Okay, we're almost done. Next, we got this really old one, which honestly, I don't know. It's got these, like, look at this. Why is it like this and not in the front? It's also got these two air vents here. It says like HD speed shop. Got this weird thing here. I don't know. It's like a really old Corvette, but it's just old Corvette, you know. Next, we got are these Corvettes. They're kind of this one is a Fast and Furious version. You can see it's got some nice rims. It's got this little like spoiler thing here. It's really like narrow. It's got like so many lights on the back. The front's got this little like pump area here. It's like an engine. The inside it's got like some, you know, blue glass. This is in Fast and Furious. Then after we got the 50th anniversary Corvette. This car is from like the 50th anniversary, you know. It's got these cool little 50th anniversary rims. You know, 50th, like says the number 1, you know. It's a pretty good premium. Next we got is this one. This is from a Corvette like 5-pack. Same thing, you know, red color. It's got the white here. Got some white like bearings on the rims. Got this thing here too. The paint job on it. Next we got is these three. So first we got this Greenwood's Camaro or something. No, I mean Chevy. It's got these cool little lights that go up and down. It's got this like got black, yellow, orange. It says Chevrolet because it is a Corvette too. Got these little spoilers on the side, big back, and I actually seen one of these in a Walmart before, but I didn't buy it because obviously I didn't. I did see another one of this one though. Next we got these two, you know, we got this blue one. And then after we got the old one, this one's like more like heavy. It's got like some yellow, it's like kind of curved here, back, and then the inside is like see-through. So these two, they're the same. This one's new, this one's old. So yeah, last car we got not last, but still we got this car. I don't know. It's like blue. It's got some red. It looks like a baseball. It looks like something that's from like a baseball game or something. I don't know. It says number 4. I don't know why it says number 4, but it does. It's got some blue windshield, blue bearings around the tires. Pretty shiny on the bottom. Like 4 lights, and actually like 8 lights on it. So yeah, let's put them here. Finally, so these two, we got this old one I got from a garage sale. It's like kind of like an egg, and then after it's just kind of flat here. I got this black one I got from a No Frills, and pretty cool. I like the color. It's got some like circles on it, black circles, and this cool design here. So these are these two. Oh my god, it's a lot of Corvettes. Then after the last Corvette empty, you know, is the Shelby Cobra, which is one of my favorite Corvettes out of all of these ones. I love the car. It's very beautiful. It's got this little seat holder. Got the white stripe down it and see-through glass. Beautiful car. It is honestly very beautiful. I love it. Love it. But yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and to comment down below which one is your favorite Corvette from all of these. Personally, my favorite is probably got to be this one, and probably maybe this green, this purple one, or maybe this. So yeah, also make sure you go check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, or I will steal all your Corvettes. Okay, buddy? Yeah, you better subscribe. Okay. But yeah, guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. And also, Happy Lunar New Year. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put this all back.